friends, welcome back. And if you're new here and we haven't met, my name is Rebecca. I am here today to encourage you, give you some decorating ideas to decorate your home. I don't follow trends, I just do what I love, and I encourage you to do the same. What I'm sharing with you today in my old summertime farmhouse decorating series today is my mantle. So as you can see, I have left anything that I have to climb up on a step stool I have already done because you don't want to see that. I have just my window up there. Let's see, window and a flag that's just placed just behind it. I wanted a 3x5 flag to drape on this window, but it's hard to find all cotton flag. Most of them are nylon or some kind of polyester, and they just don't look good. So I'm going to continue to look for one of those flags and hopefully find that and show you my intention with this. But for now, the little flag on the stick is going to work. Now, if you don't follow me yet on Instagram or my YouTube channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my old summertime farmhouse decorating series. I have lots more to come. This is the second. I've already done one for my entry foyer, and I will put that link below if you want to go back and watch that. And then this one is for the mantle, and I have many more to come for my dining room, kitchen, front porch, deck, and I don't know what else I'll find to do. So let's go ahead. Some of the items are some of the things that you see me thrifted this year. So I've done a little something with them along with some things that I already have. To start, let's go ahead and start with the right side of the mantle. This little basket, I think I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. I have my husband's grandfather's Bible. It's a little tattered and torn, but I'm going to use it up there. Also have a couple of these wooden vases that I got from Hobby Lobby several years ago. I love them. I love the natural wood. Occasionally I put some flowers in it, but today I'm just going to add these up there. If you guys remember, I thrifted these from our trip in West Virginia at a Goodwill. They were gold colored. So they've been spray painted a matte black. And I found on clearance at Hobby Lobby a couple of these battery operated tapered candles, and I just love them. They were, I don't know, they were on sale or clearance or something, but I love the glow, and I'll show you an evening shot. But I'm going to add these up there. How beautiful are those? Some of you may have remembered that I picked up this little chalkboard, and I was indecisive whether I was going to paint it white, but I'm not going to, guys. I'm going to leave the natural wood. I like it. I used my cameo silhouette to make the letters to put on there, and this is exactly what I wanted to say. God shed his grace on thee. The next thing I'm going to add, I have this Farm Fresh Ray Dunn vase. I love to put fresh flowers in it when I get them. I'm going to turn this around, and I have some summertime daisies that I am going to add in there, and how beautiful are those. My next item that I have is a little mantle clock that Mr. Fix-It made for me, and I usually keep it out. It may be on my hutch, at times it's on my mantle, and this is made out of a wormy chestnut wood, which chestnut trees don't exist anymore. So my husband had some of this wood, and he made this little mantle clock, but I'm going to add this up on my mantle. This next one, look what I found. It was marked down on Amazon. Got the glass, and I'm handling it very carefully. I did put a battery operated lightweight candle in there, and after doing a little research, I called it an onion lantern, but I believe the true name is steeple lantern, and I'm going to add this on my mantle for the summer. Now for the bottom of my fireplace, I have this wire basket that I'm going to set on the fireplace since it's summertime. We just have some birch wood in there, cleaned up the fireplace, put in some birch wood that looks nice, and we don't use a fireplace in the summertime, so I can add a few pillows and blankets to this. For the other side of my fireplace, I generally keep this little riser. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Hobby Lobby. And I have a little farmhouse style mini apple basket with just some ivy in it. And I'm going to place this on the other side of the fireplace. Here is some room views, and usually my end tables are sort of just a catch-all for things that I don't use elsewhere, and they sort of just wind up under those end tables. Hey guys, there's a sneak peek of that wall over there. It's not quite done. It needs a baseboard, but I can't wait to find the right piece of furniture for that area. So guys, that's all that I have for you today, and I hope that I have inspired you in some way. I appreciate all of you who are viewing my home spotlight, which comes out each Monday at 6 a.m. and there is some that is coming out now on Saturday at 8 a.m. So look for those home spotlight. We're Some ladies are sharing their beautiful homes with us to inspire us in our decorating journey. So until my next video, guys, I hope I've inspired you in some way, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.